Hey guys, good morning. This is Dawal here and you are watching KD Architects. So welcome to KD Architects. So today in this video, we'll talk about something curtain wall. So in this video, we'll see how to add diagonal mullion in the Revit curtain wall. So usually we can add the mullions in the Revit in horizontal direction and vertical direction only. We can't able to add the mullion in the diagonal direction. So we'll see step-by-step tutorial and the method to add the mullions in the diagonal direction in the curtain wall. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So over here on the screen, we have level 1 and over here we'll first create curtain wall. For that, we are using WS shortcut. Now over here, go to at the end. Now over here we'll simple make curtain wall over here. Let's make it 8 feet for now. And now over here we have okay, let me create 3D view over here. And here I'm using the tile view command. For that we are using shortcut WT. Now over here we have plan and over here we have 3D view. Now this is our front view. Okay, now let's make it up to level 1. So over here we are using up to level 1. Okay, from the level 1 to level 2 we are making curtain wall. So select level 2. Okay, that's fine. Now in the curtain wall, now we'll make over here circular top over here, I mean arch. So for that we are editing this wall. So here click on the edit profile and now let's over here keep 7 feet and from here we'll make arch. Okay, so this is our arch. Now let's trim it and delete this one, also delete this one. Finish. Now we have a curtain wall having a arch top. Now over here we'll add mullions first. So over here we are choosing simple this mullion. Okay, you can use a particular modified or created mullion over here. So you can you just want to create the separate family of mullion if you want. For now we are using this mullion over here. For now let's choose 50 by 65 mm and here we are adding the mullions. Okay, now for the adding curtain grids over here we can add like this way. So over here we'll use for curtain grill sorry I mean curtain grid over here up to 7 feet. And now over here we'll add mullions over here. If I want to add the similar mullion over here, so then just I want to select this mullion and select mullion and create similar. So आपको simple यहाँ से उसको select कर लेना है. So like this way you can use the create similar command. Now again we'll add curtain grid over here. Now over here we have two options, all segment and one segment. All segment means if I select this option, so if you see over here whole curtain wall में यहाँ पे from the bottom to top यहाँ पे curtain grid यहाँ पे create होगी. If I'm choosing this one segment, I mean we have two segment in this curtain wall, first top and bottom. So if you see यहाँ पे हम separately उसको create कर सकते हैं. From the bottom segment also we can create curtain grid in the top segment. So like this way you can use the segment command over here. So we are placing one curtain grid over here. Now let's add the mullions over here. Again we are using create similar command. So now as you can see over here we have added curtain grids. Now if you want to change this joint over here, select the mullion and now over here just select on the bracket joint. So as you can see simply curtain के जो mullions है automatic यहाँ पे set हो जाएंगे. I mean joints जो है वो break हो जाएंगे. Okay, now let's talk about how to add curtain mullion, curtain wall mullion. So in the diagonal direction, how can you add? Okay, so first of all, for that, we'll use over here one reference plane. So over here, we'll make one reference plane. So let's go to plan and use the reference plane command RP. Now, over here, we are using reference plane So where we are creating reference plane over here, something where at the center of the mullion. Okay, so we'll give the name of reference plane, that is, let's say, diagonal. Okay, that's fine. So if you see over here, we have, okay, something went wrong. I want to give the name diagonal. Okay, that's fine. Let's check. Okay, that's fine. Now, go to 3D view and over here, just create the model line over here. Select on the model line. Now over here, we'll pick the reference plane, that is, we have created reference plane diagonal. Now, just come into the 3D view and set the front view. Now, from the center of this width, we'll create one model line over here, similar way. Otherwise, you can mirror it also. Let's mirror it. So यहाँ से हम उसको mirror भी कर सकते हैं, like this way. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास two model line we have created. Now, we'll add mullion over here. So we can't add mullion directly on the you can say model line, but we have another way, that is, over here we can model in place. Just select the model in place, and over here for now we are using generic models, and over here we can uh, create the wall sweep over here, and just pick the path, and over here we will select the model line. So as you can see, we can select the model line easily in the 3D view which we have created. So it is possible in the Revit wall, Revit model in place sweep. Now just finish, and also you can manually create the profile. Otherwise you can, if you have any similar profile which we have used in the Mullion, so you can also use that profile over here. So for now we are creating the similar, you can say same profile by sketch. So let me measure over here. So one that is at 2 inch, or then the width of mullion is around uh, let's suppose nearby 2 inch. So this is our 2 by 2 inch. Let's say, so let's add 2 by 2 for now, and select profile over here. And if you want to sketch, then select on the edit profile, or you have another option, that is, if you have particular sketch, or you have particular profile similar to mullions, so you can select directly from here. Now go to edit profile, and over here just we are drawing the profile. Okay, so from the center point we'll equally spread the pattern both sides. So let's make 1 inch over here, and over here also will 1 inch. Here we'll make 2 inch. Also over here we'll add 2 inch. Similar way. Now we'll trim and extend over here. So we have pattern over here. Okay, delete this line, and click on the finish. So now as you can see, we have diagonal mullion. Now you can assign the material also. So just check over here in the mullion, we have aluminum material. So we can simply copy from here. Click on the OK. Now select model in place and go to edit in place. Now select again this mullion, and over here we can paste the material. So as you can see, similar we have mullion, you can see. Similar way, you can create another mullion. So for now we are using create similar. Over here, pick path, and make the pattern over here. Just finish, and now select edit profile. Now we are using over here 1 inch, let's say. Now this is our 1 inch. Now we'll go 2 inch downward. again 2 inch, and now we'll trim and extend over here and delete this line. Now finish the sketch. Now again finish. Now again assign the same material over here. So just Control V over here. So we have added two booleans. So this is the process by which you can add the diagonal mullions. You can create the model in place and like this way. So this is the one of the way to create the diagonal mullions. You can assign the same materials, so it will looks like a mullion in the diagonal direction. So this is the method and process to create diagonal mullion in the curtain wall. So I hope you like this video and process. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.